Hello. Do you know that most of the business owners want to expand their business, but don't know how? Many businessmen are practicing old school tactics to market their business and are doomed to fail. In this rapidly advancing global age, no business can survive without digital marketing. In order to sell your products and services, you first have to sell your ideas and beliefs to your customers. To make this a reality, one has to generate high-quality content, designed around a well-rounded strategy. High-quality videos, blog posts, social media content, and email marketing are the core components of digital marketing. So, are you still wondering whether you need digital marketing or not to promote your business? Here are some statistics to clear your doubts. Facebook has over 1.13 billion daily active users, and content consumption from the past 2 years has increased by 57%. LinkedIn has 450 million users, consisting of 46% of online adults who are graduates. Twitter has 313 million active users, and every 3 out of 10 urban residents uses Twitter. YouTube has over 1 billion users from all walks of life, sharing different genres of content for various purposes. Instagram has 500 million, and Snapchat has 150 million users. More than 3 billion users have email accounts, and 75% of all the companies believe that email marketing offers excellent ROI. Imagine that how fast your business will grow if you utilize all these platforms to promote your brand and reach out to such a vast audience worldwide. If you are overwhelmed with so many platforms and so much to do, then don't worry. Rastabase will take care of all the hard work of promoting your business, and provide high-quality and cost-effective web solutions. We create high-quality, responsive and CMS-based websites with free domain and hosting. We also create explainer videos, blog posts and social media content for introducing and grooming your brand. So, if you are ready for an exciting new journey of expanding your business and taking your brand to the new horizons, then please contact us for more details.